This is Jedi's with Jesus, and today we're going to go ahead and make another recipe over there in the air fryer.
So what we put in here is paprika, seasoned salt, pepper, chopped garlic, and extra virgin olive oil. And then we're also going to add some butter on top of the sea bass.
This is Jedi's for Jesus, and we are Bible-believing Christians. And if you want to find the truth, that is where you look.
Whether your sea bass is fresh or frozen, the best thing to do is the night before, go ahead and take the sea bass out of the freezer and put it in the refrigerator and let it thaw out in the refrigerator. Once you take your sea bass out of the bag, you go ahead and use paper towels and pat it dry. Once you have that completed, go ahead and pour a little bit of olive oil onto your fillets and rub them in, and go ahead and do this on both sides of the fillets. Once you have that completed, go ahead and put some paprika on. Then some seasoned salt. Then some pepper. So at this point, go ahead and flip over your fillets and go ahead and do the same kind of seasoning on that side now. Then on this one side, you go ahead and put the garlic on, whether it's the little chunks or the spread. Now you want to go ahead and put some butter on each of the fillet, thin slices, and 2 pieces on each fillet. Instead of spraying the inside, what I'm going to go ahead and do and put some parchment paper in the inside so it doesn't stick. Now carefully lift the fillets and make sure the butter doesn't come off, and put them inside the air fryer. Since I got the dual air fryer, I have to put 1 fillet in each side. Just not enough room to put both of them in on one side. And one of these fillets is a little thicker, so I'm gonna go ahead and when I put it in and put the time on, I'm gonna put 2 minutes longer on the fillet that's thicker. So now I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. I'm going to go and hit air fry. I'm going to set it for 350 degrees for 12 minutes. And then on the other one, I'm going to hit number 2. I'm going to hit air fry and going to put it on 350. And on the time part, I'm only going to put it for 14 minutes because that fillet was a little bit thicker. Now press start and let it cook. me go ahead and say it again.
So since one piece was a little bit thicker, I'm gonna have it in there for an extra 2 minutes. I'll go ahead and show you what the sea bass looks like.
Wow, doesn't that look yummy? And look at that wonderful color on that sea bass. Just waiting on that other sea bass to cook since it was a little bit thicker.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and sample it. If you got any value out of this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified when we upload a brand new video. Thank you.
Look at that perfect color, and it's flaky.
A little piece there. Very good. Very good.
If you have any leftovers at the end of the video, I'll tell you how to reheat it. Well, that one has that perfect color also. Really, really good sea bass. And if you want to reheat it, put it back in the air fryer at 350 for 4 to 6 minutes.
This is Jedis for Jesus. Hope to see you one day soon in heaven.